Wow, that is fantastic. So, I'll see you soon then. So, bye-bye everybody. Bye-bye. What? And if you like that video, give a thumbs up and thumbs down. What? And I'll see you again with more Simon the Talking Parrot. I'm a puppet, actually. So, subscribe to Formula Friends channel, and I'll see you again soon. Very soon. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. Hi. Hello. It's 1K special. 1,000 subscribers. You are the best. We are #1 now. Our first ever 1,000 subscribers ever. What? That's right. Yes, man. We reached 1,000 at last. Yes, guys, we got a surprise for you and you viewers. You are the #1 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing us. Keep on subscribing. Ho ho. Hey, Formula fan, what are we doing today in this 1,000 subscribers special today? I'm gonna show you a biggest thing you want. It's a big surprise. What? We like big surprise, don't we, guys? Yay! Come on, Formula fan. Let's hop to the kitchen lounge. Alright, come on! Wow! Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my Jesus Christ! What is... Oh my gosh, that's giant! Very giant, man. Yes, man. Very giant. It's so big! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, for 1,000 subscribers, we got a 4K giant TV. A 4K. Wow! Haha. Wow, it's so big, Formula fan. It's so big. Yes, buddy. It's Hisense 4K TV. Wow, it's our new 4K TV. Wow, how much it cost? I'm not sure. 259. Ooh, that's a lot of money, Formula fan. Let's watch it. Okay. Fireworks! Yes, to celebrate our 1,000 subscribers. Turn up high, Formula fan. Okay. getting hot. Yes, quack, quack. Open. You're very, very hot, Simon. There it is. Another Easter egg. Oh. It's a blow one. You're gonna lose. For the fan, I don't think At's gonna win. Maybe I cheated. You're not cheated. Close your eyes. That's all. Alright, yeah. At, try and find the creme egg. Creme egg Cadbury's.